I'm in Jerusalem, and this is the Notre Dame where you can see the entire Jerusalem from. It's really beautiful. It's got so much of history. It's amazing. You can just feel the vibes. It's peaceful. It's the Christian headquarters. It's beautiful. This is more than 5,000 years old. It's beautiful. To light a candle for love and lots of food for everyone. So this is the Wailing Wall of Israel, most sacred place for the Jews. Let's have a look. Hi friends, I'm at Ein Karem, and here I'm going to be making the traditional Jewish bread. It's called challah. This is the long-awaited challah that we are waiting for.
Yes, this is the special bread for the holy day of Shabbat. It's easy to make and it's much more tasty.
And it's eaten during Shabbat.
Yes. So you can add more sugar or honey.
So this bread is specially made for Shabbat dinner, for Friday night, and it's authentic Shabbat bread. This is the freshly baked Shabbat bread, glazed with honey and super hot.
Yes.
Wow.